The camera come. Carry the camera come. Or video this ambience. They see so. Video this ambience. You see am? You see how all the wire take come down, including the high tension and the low tension. You see, even the low tension self, you no go see anyone, but all the high tension, everything go. You see, so carry the camera come. I want to make you video and well. Video and well. You don't capture and well, bah? You don't see everything for that side. Or yeah, video this ambience. Make you see the low tension wire for floor. So video them. Carry and come. You see them? Both the high tension like this, so, and the low tension, and then they down, so. You see them, so. This they don't deal like this for 9 years. You see this I'm saying like this. It's 9 years in a community that has more than 10,000 people. We need support. We need aid. Eh? We need help. We need help. I beg. Look at this. See them, so. See them, so. I beg. Nigerians, help us. See them, so. You see them, so. We need help. What's up?